So hey guys, we are back with a new video. We have a toy collection box and we have to hide one by one toy in this jungle. Let's hide this. First, we have a blue and yellow color, a super car. Let's hide this in this jungle. Oh friends, let's hide this here between these rocks. Let's hide this turtle in this sea. Let's hide this. Oh friends, turtle is looking so happy in the water. See? Let's hide our next toy. Somewhere in jungle. Oh friends, we have this green color auto rickshaw. Left side is the rock. Oh friends, we got this big size aeroplane. Let's hide this in this jungle. Where we can hide this. Let's hide this at the top of the rock. Oh friends, it's looking so nice. Oh friends, let's hide this crane behind this rock. Oh friends, we have a seaplane. Let's hide in the water. Whoa friends. Whoa friends. We have this yellow color racing car. Let's hide this in the jungle. Go friends. Oh friends, we have a big size neon color bike. Let's hide this at the sand. Go friends, it's looking so good. Oh friends, we have a white and green color aircraft. Let's hide this here. It's looking so good. Oh friends, we have this pink and SpongeBob collection edition car. Let's hide this here. Oh friends, we have a Spider-Man edition skateboard. Let's hide this here. Oh friends, we have this yellow and black color old type of car. Let's hide this in the jungle. Look. Oh friends, we have only left two toys. Let's hide this oil tanker. Let's hide this here. Oh friends, we have only one car. This it is police car. One is red and one is olive color. Let's hide this in the jungle. As you can see guys, we have hide our toys successfully. And like the channel, subscribe the channel. Bye bye.